to the channel Acharyaji Online.
Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Yavan of class 5. Last day we have studied under chapter common fractions about many terms like fraction, unlike fraction, unit fraction, equivalent fraction and so on. Today I am going to explain you about comparison of unlike fractions. You are familiar with unlike fractions taught by me to you yesterday. What are unlike fractions? You know, fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Example: 3 by 5, 4 by 6. These two fractions have not same denominator. Here denominator is 5, here denominator is 6. Because denominators are different of these fractions, so these fractions here are called unlike fractions. I am wanting to hear comparison. Means this is greater or this is greater. I want to know. How can we know? For this, you have a technique. In a rough or in your mind, you should do this multiply with this. What will we do? 6 multiplied with 3 will be 18. 5 4s are here 20. Not required to write here. You have do in mind. As here clear, 20 is greater than 18. It means this side 20. So this 4 by 6 is greater. We have to erase after doing this work. This is first example of comparison of unlike fraction. Now we want to take another example. 1 by 8, 1 by 9. Which is greater? I want to know. Same process. 9 1s are what will be? 9. 8 1s are what will be? 8. Clear here? This 9 is greater than 8 and 9 is in this side, so this side fraction means 1 by 8 is greater, 1 by 9 is lower. After doing this, we should erase this. Hence, this type of unlike fractions can be compared. Now I want to compare of unlike fractions when more than 2 factors are given. Suppose we have to do write in ascending order. Write in ascending order. You know, ascending order means from lowest to highest. 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 8, 1 by 10. We have to arrange in ascending order these given fractions. What should we do? At first, we have to do denominator same. How? Denominator same will be after finding LCM. In rough 3, 5, 8, 10. 3, 5, 8, 10. LCM will be 2 into 5 into 3 into 4. 2 5 are 10, 10 3 are 30, 30 4 are 120. It means we have as LCM of these denominators is 120. Now we write here 120, write here 120, write here 120, write here 120. Now 3. With which number we should multiply to get 120? Clear? 3 40 jar. So 40 multiplied with 1 and we write here 5 24 jar. 24 1 jar 24. 8 15 jar. So 15 1 jar 15. 10 12 jar. So 12 1 jar 12. Now it is clear which number is shortest, smallest. 40, 24, 15, 12. This number is smallest. So we write arranging in ascending order. Because this number is smallest, so we write in from question 1 by 10 at first. After that, 15 is greater from this, so we write here 1 by 8. From this is greater, so we write this from question. And at last, this is greatest, so we write from question this. These arranging numbers are in ascending order, and this is also your answer. If you have to do arrange in descending order, then what will you do? This process will be same. This process will be same. One thing is different will be, that will be what? Now we write after doing this arranging in descending order, and this will be written here. After that this will be written, after that this will be written, after that this will be written at last. And that is your answer will be in descending order. Now I think that you have better concept about comparison of unlike fractions. Now I want to tell you some homework for doing in your home. You can write do all questions of exercise 25. This is your homework. Thanks.